Forgot your Swann DVR password in the USA? If your firmware is 2020 or newer, this may work instantly.
Click on Forgot Password on the login screen. Answer the security questions exactly as you set them. Pay attention to capitalization.
Create a strong new password and confirm it.
If your DVR is connected to the internet, you can reset it using the Swann Security app. Select your DVR from the device list. Open Account Settings and choose the Password Reset option.
You'll receive a verification code on your registered email. Enter it carefully.
Set your new password. Your DVR is now unlocked. This method only works if your Swann DVR has a physical reset button.
Locate the reset button, usually near the HDMI or network port. Press and hold the reset button. While holding it, power the DVR back on.
Keep holding for 15 to 20 seconds until the system restarts. If successful, the setup screen will appear. You can now create a new password. If this helped you, subscribe for real working DVR reset guides. No fake tricks, USA tested methods only.